Hi everyone, this is Dimah with Variable Traders, and I would like to do a trading recap for you. So first I traded Apple. It was a 5-minute ORB, open range break up in this case, to the upside. And if you notice, I did not take the second candle at the break. I wanted to wait for confirmation, and my confirmation was in the 1-minute chart. So as I was waiting for it to break the range, it just made the wrong confirmation. So this is, my confirmation is a hammer, and then I take the 1-minute high after that. This hammer is red, and my rule is it has to be white if I'm going long. This hammer is red, so I didn't take it. This hammer is white, but it's upside down hammer, so is not a good enough confirmation. This hammer is the right hammer and white, but it's below VWAP, so I like it above VWAP. Then this hammer was red, and this hammer was upside down, and then I saw the doji, and that was good enough for me. So once I saw the doji here, I decided to take the 1-minute high above that. So let me tell you about my criteria for every trade. I have 5 must-have criteria for every trade. So first, it has to be a setup in the 1 and the 5 minutes. So it was the 5-minute open range breakup, and then an ABCD in the 1 minute. Second confirmation is every time frame has to be supporting my theory. In this case, it was beautiful 15-minute ORB in the 15 minutes. And the best confirmation of them all, a 60-minute breakup, and a daily was up as well. So that's confirmation 2. The third confirmation is volume, stepping up volume, and above average. This is both of them. So it's perfect. It's exactly what we want to look at when we are wanting to go long. And fourth confirmation is 2 to 1. So my stop is right here, hard to see. And I have no resistance above. There is the pre-market high. Then I have an R4 level right here. You know, absolutely no resistance for a long while yet. So as you notice, I got in. Everything looked great. And then I got out in the next 1 minute. So absolutely no reason. I missed a beautiful move right here, and then I should have, there is a hammer doji right here. I should have taken the next 1 minute high, but I think I just stopped looking at Apple once it went my way after, and I just decided to let it go. So at the same time, I usually in the first half an hour, I do check the RVOL of all of my list, the watch list, and the rest of the about 40-50 stocks I have. And I noticed that SoFi had the highest RVOL, relative volume, relative to its own volume, and it was the highest. It was 250%, and even though that's not that high, but it was the highest on every stock that I had on that list. So then I decided to take a look at it and to trade it. So again, nervous trading, I don't take a trade based on the 1 minute, but I did see this beautiful ABCD right here with this hammer, and then the wrong hammer, but I already got my confirmation above the VWAP, and then I sort of started chasing a little bit. I put my stop below the 9 moving average, and took the next 1 minute high. I should have taken the break of this doji here to the long side, but that's okay. And then I realized that this is not really a good setup. This is not a 5-minute ORB that I normally take, because this would be the range. I would have to take it right here, or right here. So you can tell I was chasing a little bit. The 15 minutes, I mean, it's okay. It's bullish. The 60 minutes, this is not a very good look. And then it was going up in the daily. So again, I got out. I did realize that, I'm sort of, after Apple, I'm maybe being emotional. So I got out just to kind of collect my thoughts. And then I decided, okay, let's just make sure we have all the confirmations. Let's see if we met all the criteria. So in this case, I take my setup on the 5 minutes usually. So I saw this and I took it as an ABCD pattern on the 5 minute, as well as I took this as a, sort of an ABCD pattern in the 1 minute as well. Here is my hammer confirmation. I waited a few minutes. I think I was waiting for the volume here, and decided on this one because that is where the volume was still within the average but increased a little bit. And then I like that it made a new 15-minute high, and then here we have a 60-minute high. So that was a much better setup that I was happy with. So then I partialed at the previous day close. That's a pretty important level. So even though it was just a little bit below 1 hour, I partialed. Then I partialed at the 1 hour marked right here. And then when it did sort of an ABCD pattern right here with the hammer, I added actually on the 1 minute high. And then I partialed at the pre-market high level, and then got stopped out pretty much at break even. So these are my trades, and then I stopped after that because I realized I was green and I was happy, and did not want to push it. So I hope you like this recap. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. Thank you so much. Have a great day.